Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, Tarang Shakti 2024 Eurofighter versus Rafale. India's upcoming Tarang Shakti 2024, its first ever multinational air exercise, is set to witness a fascinating rematch between two of the world's most advanced fighter jets, the Eurofighter Typhoon and the Rafale. This exercise, scheduled for August 2024, will see participation from prominent air forces including Germany, France, Italy and the United States. Next, Israel's military exporting weapons to India. Israel military exports to India, its largest defense buyer, have not been affected by the war in Gaza. An Indian source and an Israel source aware of the details said India has imported military hardware worth $2.9 billion from Israel over the last decade, including radars, surveillance and combat drones and missiles. Israel launched its months-long military campaign after militants from Hamas-ruled Gaza killed 1,200 people and took 253 hostages in southern Israel on October 7. Next, anti-tank guided missiles. In a significant display of indigenous defense capabilities, the Battle Axe Division of the Indian Army recently conducted successful tests of indigenously manufactured anti-tank guided missiles (ATGMs) at the Pokhran Field Firing Range in Jaisalmer district. The test, which encompassed both day and night operations, marked a milestone in India's quest for self-reliance in defense manufacturing and technology. Next, bilateral defense cooperation between India and Dutch. Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh held a bilateral meeting with the Netherlands Defense Minister Ms. Katsa Ollongren in New Delhi on February 23rd. Both ministers discussed the possibilities for expanding their bilateral defense cooperation, particularly in maritime and industrial domains. They noted the increased interaction between the two navies and expressed keenness to work together to enhance maritime security in the Indian Ocean region. Next, second spaceport in Tamil Nadu to be built by ISRO. In a strategic move aimed at enhancing India's space launch capabilities, the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO is set to establish a second spaceport for launching small satellites in Tamil Nadu. This development, slated to unfold over the course of 2 years, promises to be geographically advantageous for the country's space exploration endeavors. Next, American drone makers Skydio eyes Indian market with commercial ambitions. American drone manufacturer Skydio is set to take flight in the Indian market, forging a partnership with local company AeroArc to produce unmanned aerial vehicles to defense customers. While initially focusing on the defense sector, Skydio harbors ambitions to expand into non-military and non-government applications, signifying a broader commitment to the Indian market. Next, Helipad Expansion boosts air connectivity for Indian Army in Arunachal Pradesh. India's effort to strengthen air connectivity in Arunachal Pradesh, a strategically crucial border state, are gaining momentum. The Indian Army's 3 Corps area is spearheading the initiative with 9 helipads already constructed and 6 more underway. This expansion program aims to connect all 7 valleys in the state with Chinook-specific helipads. These robust helipads, designed to accommodate the heavy lift capabilities of Chinook helicopters operated by the Indian Air Force, will significantly enhance operational flexibility and responsiveness in the region. Hangor class versus Kalvari class submarines. The undersea realm harbors a silent rivalry between two classes of attack submarines. The Chinese-derived Hangor class operated by Pakistan and the French-inspired Kalvari class of the Indian Navy. Both represent significant advancement in their respective navies' capabilities, but key differences set them apart. Thank you.